Hello and welcome to the Peachy Crochet channel. Today we are going to be crocheting this adorable little Soot Sprite from one of my favourite movies, My Neighbor Totoro. I released this pattern earlier this year on Instagram, so if you'd like to follow a written pattern you can go check it out and I'll link it down below. I worked really hard on this pattern, so please don't steal or copy it. Before we begin, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Petra and I run a small business, Peachy Crochet, where I make and sell adorable crochet plushies. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get on with the tutorial. The following materials are everything that you'll need to make your very own crochet Soot Sprite. You'll need some fluffy black yarn, a crochet hook that's 7mm, some stuffing, a darning needle, a stitch marker, some scissors, some white felt, a marker, and a hot glue gun or something to glue the felt eyes to the plushie. To start off, we will be creating a magic ring and crocheting 6 stitches into it. If this is your first time crocheting with a fluffy yarn, it can be a little slippery depending on the brand, and it will be very difficult to see your stitches. Feel free to use a stitch marker on every stitch to find them easily later, or be prepared to feel them. Slip stitch into the first stitch of the round and close your magic ring. For row 2, we will be increasing in every stitch. As you can see, you can't see your stitches clearly like you would with a regular yarn. If you use your fingers, you can feel for the gaps between the stitches, which is where you'll be placing your next stitch. This is why using a bigger hook comes in handy, otherwise these gaps would be much harder to find, as well as the fact that this yarn is more resistant when working with a smaller hook size. For rows 3 to 6, the next 4 rounds, we're keeping it easy and just doing a single crochet. Make sure to count your stitches to make sure you aren't skipping any stitches. There should be 12 in each round. For our last round, we will be decreasing all around. Feel free to do an invisible decrease if you'd like, but it is more difficult with the fluffy yarn. Now we can slip stitch and fasten off, leaving a tail to sew closed. For fluffy yarn, usually one side will turn out better looking than the other, unfortunately. In this case, the wrong side looks better looking, so we're just going to pull this tail through to the other side. Now we stuff our Soot Sprite. I like it to be firm, but still a little squishy. Let's sew up the hole, and you should have 6 stitches to weave through before pulling closed. Be careful pulling it closed, as some fluffy yarns may snap easily. Tie a knot and hide the end. Now we can start on our Soot Sprite eyes. I've been liking quite big eyes at the moment, so the eyes I'm making are about 3 centimeters, but feel free to make them any size you'd like. I use the lid of a Coke bottle to trace, as freehand circles are basically impossible to get right. Optionally, after you cut out the eyes, you can take a lighter around the edges to give it a smooth finish. Now we can add the pupils. I like mine to be slightly cross-eyed because it looks adorable, but again, the choice is yours. We'll add a decent amount of hot glue to the back of the eyes or whatever glue you'd like to use, and then press firmly until set. And there we go! Here is the finished result, an adorable fluffy Soot Sprite. I hope this was easy to understand and you can create your own little Soot Sprite or your own little Soot Sprite army. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe as it really helps me out. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave a black heart emoji, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay peachy! Bye!